Back up, keep going. Nice and slow. Keep going. Keep going, keep going.
Build your system with the new Milwaukee Packout Shop Storage, part of the industry's most versatile and durable modular storage system. Packout Shop Storage features 2 wall plates with quick alignment tabs. Quick alignment tabs provide you with the ability to align plates in multiple configurations to fully customize your storage. These Packout hooks, tool racks, and holders deliver the most secure mounting when locked into Packout wall plates. The hooks are metal reinforced to maintain shape when loaded. Delivering quick access functionality, these solutions will ensure you can easily access your tools and other job site needs to get the job done faster. Milwaukee Packout revolutionizes the way you transport, organize, and store your tools on the site, in transit, and in the shop. Packout is the first system providing true modularity, allowing you to store and transport boxes, organizers, tool bags, hooks, racks, holders, and more in any configuration that works for you. Milwaukee Packout Shop Storage, part of the industry's most versatile and durable modular storage system.
The tools we're using with the DX9s were awesome. It's seamless because the tools are so easy to handle and they're easy to run.
As a project team and as an organization, it's really important that we work with our customers to get real-time feedback from them, take that input and incorporate it into the next generation tool.
It's got a really good feel to it, felt really sturdy, comfortable.
They come up with a narrower handle, which is better now.
Instead of operators feeling the impact in their shoulder, now it's going to be spread to their elbows, so it's more of a natural movement when they're using the tool.
You compare that tool to puddle welding and bent over, it's no comparison.
Welding is so hard on your hamstrings, and I'd go home, my back would be so stiff. And then I seen this, and I was like, man, I gotta learn how to do that.
It's a lot easier to train a guy on Hilti versus welding. You take your shot, you take a look, use your card if need be.
Welding, normally one guy doing 10,000 square foot welding. Hilti gun, some people doing maybe 20,000, 50,000. That's more production than welding.
We wanted to make the tool more robust. So there's about 120 different parts that have either been changed, upgraded, or modified.
They also have a digital service indicator on top, which hopefully will give our guys more insight of what the tool is doing.
It allows us to get feedback from our guys, which guys are doing what, how much they're doing.
So now we're giving the customers real-time diagnostics on when the tool needs to be cleaned.
give the operator more information at his fingertips to really see, what's happening with his tools.
We're taking the decking tools digital.
If you really value your employees and you care about your employees and you want to keep those employees, how could you not go to Hilti and say, hey, what's our alternative here?
They care about our projects. They want us to succeed. We consider them to be a partner.
It opened our eyes to what Hilti's really about.